Good morning, students. Principles of Management class. And in the last class, we have discussed regarding Elton Mayo and his contributions, elimination studies, relay assembly test experiments, and Hawthorne studies. And today's class is regarding one of the most important management thinker from India, and he is Coimbatore Krishnarao Prahalad, and his period was between 1941 and 2010, and he was born on 8th of August 1941 in Chennai, India, and died on 16th of April 2010 at California, US. Though he is Indian citizen, but his nationality is Indian American, and he has received awards. The awards are Padma Bhushan, Pravasi Bharatiya Samman, Herbert Simon Award, and he was educated at Harvard Business School, Loyola College, Chennai, Harvard University, and Indian Institute of Management, Ahmedabad. The organization that he has found is Praja Incorporation, and he has authored a book called The Fortune at the Bottom of the Pyramid, and his contributions to the management are core competency model. For further studies, you can visit the following website. Contributions of C.K. Prahalad. He is very influential thinker on strategy, and his contributions to the management are importance of people skills. And in his book, he has mentioned that the skills of people are more important for achievement of the objectives of the organization and competing for the future. And C.K. Prahalad's opinion about core competency is core competency leads to stronger competitive advantage, and an organization with stronger competitive advantage can get the benefits of competition, and his work has been widely acknowledged, especially in USA. Prahalad's concept of core competence. Core competence is the strength of a firm, and it is largely a technological competence which makes for or marks the success of a company. And development of core competency requires a learning organization, that is learning at each stage of the organization. Core competency leads to corporate imagination, and corporate imagination leads to realize its potential. So every organization need to have a core competence in order to realize its potential and achieve the objectives of the organization. Visualizing new markets, which is most important for the expansion of and existence of an organization. So visualizing the new markets and leading customers, so which is most important for survival of any organization. So summary of today's class is contributions of Peter F. Drucker and contributions of C.K. Prahalad. Thank you, students. Meet you in the next class.